The Volvo XC40 is a compact SUV recognized for its beautiful design, safety features, and usability. It often blends performance and efficiency and is known for being family-friendly. Here's an overview of its primary features. The XC40 has a contemporary and minimalist design, with clean lines, sharp angles, and Volvo's iconic Thor's hammer headlights. The 2025 palette now includes a new Sand Dune color, which replaces the former Bright Dusk shade. The XC40 has a compact footprint that allows for easy movement, measuring 174.8 inches long, 75.2 inches wide, and 65.2 inches tall. The cabin has a bright and airy feel, with high-quality materials and enough of legroom for both front and back passengers. The XC40 has ingenious storage features like a fold-out hook and a retractable trash bin, making it ideal for everyday usage. The base core model now comes standard with power folding headrests, which improves comfort and convenience. The XC40 has a user-friendly infotainment system that includes Google Maps, Google Assistant, and the Google Play Store. The system includes a huge touchscreen display that allows for quick access to many tasks and controls. The UI is intended to be intuitive and simple to use, with clear menus and customizable settings. The XC40 has a variety of powertrain options, including gasoline engines, hybrids, and fully electric variants. The 2025 model could include improved efficiency and performance measures. The XC40 Recharge is gaining popularity for its totally electric driving experience. Volvo is anticipated to continue to improve battery range and charge speed for this model. The XC40 is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 247 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. The engine is combined with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, providing confident and capable performance in a variety of driving conditions. The XC40 provides a smooth and pleasant ride, with quick steering and well-tuned suspension. The XC40 comes standard with a number of safety systems, including automated emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot detection, and adaptive cruise control. The XC40 has continuously gotten good safety ratings from groups including the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety and the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Volvo remains committed to sustainability, and the XC40's structure and interior design will most likely incorporate recycled and sustainable materials. To meet Volvo's climate targets, industrial methods may incorporate lower emissions and energy-efficient technologies. While specific pricing varies by market and configuration, the XC40 normally starts in the mid-$30,000 range and can reach $50,000 for fully loaded models.
Thanks for watching.